You know those nights when you just want a full movie theater experience without leaving your bed? Or your wallet crying in the corner? Yeah, this little thing right here made that happen. This is the FUDONI Portable Projector. And I'm gonna be honest, it's one of those gadgets that made me stop mid-movie and say, wait, this looks way too good for the price. It's small, it's light, it's got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and it somehow projects a 300-inch screen. So today, I'm breaking down what it's really like living with this thing. From the setup, to the sound, the good, and even the one little thing that annoyed me. First thing, setup was ridiculously simple. No weird cables, no adapters, no 20-minute manual reading. You plug it in, pick your Wi-Fi, and boom, you're ready to go. Screen mirroring from my phone and laptop took seconds. And the 5G Wi-Fi actually holds steady. No stutter, no buffering drama, even when streaming HD trailers off YouTube. It's got a tripod mount, table setup, and even ceiling options. I tried all three because, well, I got carried away. The rear projection feature is neat if you're setting it up behind a translucent screen outdoors. And the manual zoom, smooth. You can shrink or stretch that image anywhere between 50% and 100% without wrecking the quality. Here's what surprised me most: the picture. This is a native 1080p projector that supports 4K playback. And man, it shows. The colors pop. Blacks actually look dark instead of gray. And with a 10,000 to 1 contrast ratio, you get depth that makes scenes feel cinematic, even in a room with a bit of light creeping in. I tested it on an off-white wall first, and it still looked clean. On a proper screen, chef's kiss. You really do get that mini theater vibe, especially once the lights are low. It's bright enough for daylight meetings too, though obviously the magic happens at night. Now, if you're a gamer, yes, it handles consoles like PS5 and Xbox easily through HDMI. I played Rocket League for a bit, and while there's a tiny bit of input lag, it's totally fine for casual gaming or movie marathons. Let's talk sound. The built-in dual hi-fi speakers are solid, definitely not tinny, and they fill a small room surprisingly well. But here's the real win: Bluetooth 5.1. I hooked up my soundbar, and it transformed everything. You get full stereo surround without the cable mess. And if you're outside, Bluetooth headphones work perfectly too. It's got all the ports you'd expect: HDMI, USB, AV, and audio out. I even connected a Fire Stick, and that made it a full smart setup. Just remember, due to copyright rules, Netflix and Prime Video won't stream directly from your phone. You'll need that TV stick workaround. Once connected though, it's smooth sailing. I've used this thing in my living room, bedroom, and even outside on a 24-foot screen. Yes, 24 feet. And it handled it like a champ. That said, a couple of things. The internal fan is audible during quiet scenes, but honestly, once the movie starts, you forget it's there. The sound from the built-in speakers is okay, not amazing. But again, that Bluetooth connection saves the day. And while it's built well, a few users have reported minor blue spot issues after heavy use. But FUDONI's customer service seems to actually care and replace units fast. So at least you're not left in the dark. Look, if you're hunting for a way to bring movie nights to your bedroom, backyard, or literally anywhere you can find a wall, this is it. The FUDONI Portable Projector gives you bright 1080p clarity, Bluetooth freedom, real color punch, and that huge screen wow factor without spending a fortune. It's not perfect. It's not Dolby Cinema. But it's a projector that feels premium, travels easily, and turns any space into an experience. So yeah, the tagline pretty much nails it. The home theater you can carry anywhere. Now excuse me, I've got another movie night to start.